Have you ever wondered how to create a Google form step by step in a simple way? Well, today you're in for a treat. We'll unravel the mystery behind creating a Google form. Open your Chrome. At the right corner, click on Google Apps. By scrolling down, you get the Form option. Click on that. This will take you to the Google Forms homepage. Now, look at the top left corner of your screen. You'll see a colorful plus sign that says blank. Click on it. This will open a blank form for you to start creating your Google form. The first thing you'll notice is a box that says Untitled Form. This is where you name your form. Click on it and type in the title that you want for your form. Below that, you'll see another box that says Form Description. Here, you can provide a brief description or instructions for your form. Next, it's time to add questions. You'll see a box that says Untitled Question. Click on it and type in your question. On the right side of the box, you'll see a drop-down menu that says Multiple Choice. Click on it to choose the type of response you want for your question. You can choose from multiple choice, short answer, paragraph, checkboxes, and more. To add more questions, simply click on the plus sign on the right side of your screen. You can add as many questions as you need. Once you've added all your questions, it's time to customize your form. On the top right corner of your screen, you'll see a palette icon. Click on it to choose a color or image for your form's theme. After you've customized your form, it's time to share it. Click on the Send button at the top right corner of your screen. Here you can choose to send your form via email, share a link, or embed it on a website. And there you have it. A Google form created step by step in a simple way. To recap, you start by going to the Google Forms homepage, create a new form, add a title and description, add questions, customize your form, and finally, share it. It's as simple as that. Remember, practice makes perfect. So go ahead, create a form, and let your creativity run wild.